Hey guys, it's JGS. Yes, look at this. It's a boat. Deck. I'm not going no further. See, it's not stirred. Which one? It's like right there. It's not stirred. Yeah, see? Yeah. So I'm not going. I'm not falling. Oh man, he's not smart. Hello! Land ho! Help! Help me! I don't see no one. Hello! Hello! Help! I don't want to go past this. It's too scary. I can see the driver from here. Hello! Come on! Hello! Man, I'm scared to go on that thing. Oh, it's leaving. Oh. There's lots of other ones. This is the staircase. I do not want to go up this. Hey, there's that. It's like a wood cutting thing. Hello! Hello! Let's do this! And I am not smart if I do this. Okay, let's do it anyway. Oh. See, there's Kentucky. So, if any of you are watching this, and if you're in Kentucky, well, that's your state. See, we're right now in the heart of it all. See, I just found this. Nobody really wants it. Oh, I could use it like that. A board. Okay. Dad, I found something to walk on. It's genius. It's a big log. It's not genius. Oh man. Okay, so I'm gonna play the log challenge. See how long I can stay. Okay. Starting now. The log. The log challenge is hard. Log challenge. I recommend that you don't try this at home. The log challenge. I'm gonna fail it. No, don't leave us. Oh, what's that? What's that? Dad, what's that? What's this? Look! You didn't even search the place.
Look at that, dude. Why did they do that? They come from a junkyard or something.
What is that? Oh, it's a trash can. Tires. I want to grab like a smooth stick. Ooh, this could be used for sword. Okay. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.